Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to repost TikTok video on your TikTok page, how to share TikTok video on TikTok. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So over here on TikTok, and I like this video and I want to share it to my TikTok. You know, you sharing this video is going to show on your profile on the reposting side. I want to repost it, and what you have to do is for you to go over to that arrow. You can see it there, the sharing arrow, where you can share, there you can save video. You just have to go over to the arrow. Let me go over to it, and you're going to see repost, which is at the left corner over there. So let me go over to it, and it's showing you reposted, which means you've reposted the video. So if you want to see it, you just have to go over to your profile, and I'm going to see that arrow here. Look at it there, and this is the video. It's showing that I have reposted this video on my timeline. So if anyone comes to your TikTok page and go over to the repost area, they're going to see the pictures and video which you have reposted. And guys, I hope I'm able to show you how to repost TikTok video, and this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.